In this problem, we are going to follow these steps to draw this shape and then find the area. So first, make sure that ortho is on. Then click on the line tool and then click anywhere on the screen. Move right, type 8, press enter, right click, cancel. Now we are going to draw two circles. Circle with radius r1, that is given as 1 at the left end. So click the circle tool. Make sure to use the center radius option. Click left hand, type 1, press enter. Right click, repeat circle. Now we're going to draw the other circle with radius r2, and r2 is given as 2. So click this end, type 2, press enter. Now let's turn the ortho off for now and then click on the line tool. Type TAN for tangent, then press enter. Click the circle here and TAN again, press enter and click the other circle, the similar area. Right click, cancel. Click the line tool again and then type TAN, press enter. Click this circle to this side of the circle and then TAN again, press enter. Click the other circle in the similar area. Right click, cancel. Now let's select this line, press delete to erase it, and then click the trim tool and trim here and here. Right click, cancel. Now we're gonna put the shade as shown in the diagram in our drawing. So click on hatch and click inside, and if you want to change the color or setting like the pattern, then you can click on the setting and then click here where it says solid. You can select any pattern that you want, but I would like to keep the solid pattern, and then if you want to change the color you can click here. So for now I'm gonna keep the pattern as solid and keep the color as cyan. Click OK and then press enter to accept it. Click that shade or the hatch, right click, click on properties and then look for the area, that is 32.0417.